This is the Frugal Gardener. This is my Back to Basics series, and today we're going to talk about a creative way to plant pole beans. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I have pretty much planted everything that I want to have in the ground for this spring, and I'm just about out of space. But I wanted to plant some pole beans. So that's what you see here. I didn't have anywhere to put them, so I had to get creative. And in keeping with the Back to Basics series, I'm going to show you what I did. Basically took a bucket that I had laying around in the garage actually, and filled it with soil, added some nutrients to the soil. This is the pole that my neighbor gave me a couple of years ago. I didn't use it at the time for what I wanted to use it for, but I kept it because I figured at some point I would be able to utilize it. Well, now is that time. So this is roughly 6 feet off the ground. According to the instructions on the envelope, this is going to grow 7 to 9 feet. So basically, it's going to go a little over. So here are the seeds. I'm going to plant a few extra. I'll probably plant about 4 of these, just in case. This pole will stand up on its own. I don't really need any support. But just in case we have a storm, I found this old small trellis that we used to use for flowers, and I took a few of these apart, and I'm going to use them as insurance, as a brace. So basically, I'm going to plant these about 1 inch deep. I'm going to put the brace on. I'm going to water it. That's all there's to it. So the bucket was about $3, and as I said, the posts I got free from a neighbor. She gave me, I think, 4 of them, so I still had 3 left. So this entire project, minus the cost of the seeds, cost me the cost of the bucket, which is about $3. Now the beauty of this is, just like with the pots, I can move this around pretty much anywhere in the garden. There's a handle on the bucket. It's not that heavy. So I'll place this where the sun is for the majority of the day, and in 7 to 14 days, the seeds will germinate, and in, how many days? Basically, in 55 days, we will be harvesting beans. So that's another project. If you guys are interested, this is a quick and easy way to grow beans, especially pole beans. I'll be back with more projects throughout the summer. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to post them, tell your friends, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time. This is the Frugal Gardener. Enjoy the rest of your day.